Arriving at court for a third day of cross-examination, Lucy Letby continued to face questions about whether she murdered 7 babies and tried to kill 10 others. During Friday morning session, the nurse who worked in the neonatal unit at the Countess of Chester Hospital denied taking any enjoyment from seeing babies in distress. She dismissed claims she'd falsified hospital paperwork as an alibi and told the jury that mistakes by her colleagues led to the death of one of her alleged victims. The court was shown a series of text messages exchanged between Lucy Letby and a colleague following the death of child D. In one message, her colleague said, "Just think carefully about whether you should be working if you feel so bad. Maybe you need to take time off." Miss Letby replied, "Work is always my priority. I won't let it affect it. I just haven't let myself cry over it until now. Once I've let it out tonight, my head will be clearer." Her colleague then raised concerns about some of the previous deaths. "Yeah, there is something odd about that night and the other 3 that went so suddenly." Letby questioned, "What do you mean? Odd that we lost 3 and in different circumstances?" "I don't know. Were they that different?" her colleague replied. "Ignore me. I'm speculating." It was between June 2015 and June 2016 when an unusual spike in baby deaths were recorded at the Countess of Chester Hospital. In July 2016, Miss Letby was removed from frontline duties after concerns were raised. She was charged in November 2020. This has been an emotional and testing week for Lucy Letby. Twice she's cried whilst giving evidence. Her temperament in the spotlight as she's being cross-examined. On several occasions, she's been asked whether she's lying about her recollection of events or if she's making up evidence as she goes along, and if she injected air into some of the babies she allegedly murdered. Lucy Letby is now 8 months into her murder trial, in which she's adamant she didn't kill or try to kill anyone. She'll return to the Crown Court to answer more questions next week. Inzamam Rashid, Sky News, Manchester.